Hey guys, we recently teamed up with Valencia Theater Seating to test out their new lifestyle series, and I love my new sectional. It's so pretty and is the perfect fit for my living room. I decided today to build the perfect console from behind it, and so Ash is here today helping me get it built. Okay, so the first step in building...
I have champagne tonight.
Okay.
Sorry, go
Woo! Woo!
Go ahead, yes.
Okay, so the first step in building this console table is going... Chase. My son. Hold on, we'll do this on speaker. Hey Chase, we're shooting a video. Can I call you back?
Oh yeah, can I get a shout out?
Chase Gaynor right there. He wants me to build a
Really?
poker table.
That could be cool.
We'll discuss this later. I love you so much.
Ashley agrees with me.
Okay, bye. So the first step in building this console table is going to be building the legs, and I'm going to let my shanty sister build one while I build the other.
It's very brave of her.
I know. So I designed this whole thing with 2x6s and did a lot of ripping to save money, which made this table $35.
Say that again.
$35. And the legs are going to be 2.5 inches wide. So I've already done the ripping. You can check out the video that we have on that and also grab our free plans. You don't have to remember all this wonderfulness that we're saying. So
I'm so happy that lumber prices are down.
Me too. Yeah, that actually made me so excited because I could say $35.
$35. That's
Yes.
like pre-COVID cost.
Okay, so let me show you a picture, Ash, of what a rough draft, if you will. We're going to be building these legs right here. So
Not
the top,
these.
not those. The top and the bottom are going to be flush. And what we're going to do is on the top, we're going to face our pocket holes up, and on the bottom, we're going to face them down. That way, you never see them.
I need a bottom.
Yeah, you do. I'm going to let Ashley do. I can see her wheel spinning right now, trying to figure this out.
Everything's at a 5 degree. I see.
No, that's not correct. No, because this is your top. Your top.
Oh, that's the bottom?
Uh-huh.
So
I
those
know.
are going to face down.
Correct.
Got it.
So all of these angles are cut at 5 degrees. Okay, so I'm using my Craig bar clamp to hold this in place. And then I am adding 2.5-inch pocket hole screws through 1.5-inch pocket holes. Now, for these cuts, I did go ahead and rip first, and then I made my 5-degree cuts second. Just, I feel like that is easier. Would you agree?
I agree.
Okay.
I concur.
So I love the new sofa that I got, but I wanted a table for behind it just to add some zhuzh. Hey, if you clamp it like this, it made it really easy, by the way.
For real?
Uh-huh. But I know you didn't want to,
Please
but this is
clamp it's for me.
This is going in my house, so if you could clamp it, please. Here, use
well,
this one.
you have
just,
more than
you know
one.
what? You just take that one, and I'm going to go find another one.
Thanks.
I'm getting my other side done now. And I've got the bottom done, and I'm going to flip it and do the top. Ashley's following my lead.
It's like...
No, you're not taking my clamp.
She was like... All right. Okay, so I have finished up my side.
Awesome.
Whitney, have you finished yours?
I have, so flip yours around and we're gonna add
This
the
is cute.
feet. Thank you. It kind of, now that I'm doing it, it kind of looks like a parking cone. So I feel like maybe we
Actually,
should call it the parking cone console. Candy corn.
Candy corn.
But this may not go live until January, so we're
Fair.
not gonna call it that. Okay, so now we are adding our feet. And this is just another board that's a bit longer. These are 90-degree angles, but we are going to center it right here and clamp it and use our Craig quick flip to pre-drill some holes and then anchor this into each leg. So you want 1 inch on each side. Okay, so I'm adding my glue here. I'll probably get ridiculed for how I just added glue because that's what...
You're supposed to spread it.
What, this week we had a comment that said, it looks like That's
For
what
real?
yes, they said that my dining room wall, that the black looked like it
Oh,
should be gray.
I remember now.
But
It was
It
gray.
is gray. So people are so supportive sometimes. Okay, so you can see with the Craig quick flip that I'm pre-drilling a little hole right here, and then I will flip it and add my screw. Okay, so you can see right here, now that'll give us a flat surface and it hides our screw. We have both leg assemblies done, and now we're going to attach these with our 2 runners. One on the top, one on the bottom, both centered. These are also 2.5 inch wide. Clear the area, scalpel.
Traffic cone.
So, after doing some deep dive thinking there from Ashley and I,
Deep dive.
we'll attach this side. Now the other side, I'm gonna probably need a little assistance on. So this is.
Well, the other side we can flip it on the ground.
Oh gosh, what's half of 13 and 7/8?
Well, 13, so don't worry about 13 because that's 6 and a half.
6 and
then count the dashes from, how many in 7/8?
I'm just gonna do 6.
15,
6,
so
5,
13 and a half plus, 13 and a half plus 7 dashes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. So I've marked center. You're gonna hold this for me though, Ash, because I'm very shaky from my morning coffee. Yes, I had 3 cups because yesterday was questionable. We almost didn't make it. You had 2 this morning? I had 3. Actually, I had 4 if you count my Starbucks.
Would be, okay, so you're still one
I'm ahead of
me.
you. Noise. Going in for
moist.
Moist and nice. Okay. All right, now we're gonna flip it and do the other side.
You think we should put it on the floor?
Yeah, let's probably do that. That's a good idea. Add a little bit of glue and a whole lot of luck.
In the end,
Nothing else matters. We have that one done, and now I'm going to quickly attach the bottom one as well.
Okay, so we have the base done. Now we're gonna plank the top, and we are drilling. First of all, these are 2x6s that Whitney ripped down to 5 inches.
These are
4.5.
4.5 inches.
I was gonna say,
Yep.
it feels a little
I was trying to remember.
more
It was
narrow.
originally gonna, yeah, you're good.
So these are 4.5 inches. We are drilling 1.5 inch pocket holes on one edge of the board. And we are using our Craig 720 Pro. This is our favorite Craig model. It's so easy to switch between 3/4 inch and 1.5 inch wood. And all you have to do is change the depth collar adjustment, and the clamp is self-adjusting.
Done with that board. We're gonna move the Craig jig, and we're going to line up our planks and start getting this thing assembled. So this is gonna be our middle. So Ash, I got you a face clamp.
Okay.
We'll start with this first board. And we like to use the Craig face clamps to do our, what are they called? Planks.
Yes.
Planks. Planks. So Ash is gonna start on that end. So we'll unclamp it and move it down just a bit and get our next ones. Last 2 boards to attach. Okay, but we're gonna measure and cut. So here's our breadboards. That's the ugly side.
Okay.
This is the ugly side. You got a pencil? Excellent. So what we're doing is we are marking exactly where. I'm attaching the breadboard real quick and using that face clamp again. Beautiful. I haven't done like breadboards in a long time. Last 2. Here we go.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay,
I've said enough.
tabletop is done. So we're gonna leave this where it's at, and we're going to put our base on top of it and then get it connected. Okay, so let's use our Craig quick flip. Quick flip. And final step, adding our, what? Not like that. Just like that. Make sure I didn't put it into the teeth. I would have never do that. 3 more screws to go. And we're gonna have ourselves a console table. Yeah, ignore that one. Okay, done and done. You wanna lift it up and see what it looks like?
Yeah.
Awesome. 1, 2, 3.
So
Perfect. Cute. So cute. I love how it turned out. So I think it's gonna be so cute behind the couch. So I think I'm gonna be staining this just like the coffee table. I think it'll look so cute with the couch. So I just gotta get it sanded, get it stained, and then get it set up.
I love how this looks in your living room.
Thank you, I do too. It was so easy to make, and $35 of lumber, not too shabby.
Can't beat that. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video.
Happy building. Sometimes I have good ideas too.
I mean,
It
we're
doesn't-
talking about an eighth.
We're talking about, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't even matter.
Okay, planks. And yeah. Yeah, sorry. I was catching my breath. I'm literally so out of breath.
One side of the board.
Flip it around.
This is backwards. Get that again, Jeffrey.
Follow us for more building tips.
So make sure that you subscribe.
Go ahead.